Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and the forms are finished. That's right. We got the rebar down in there. We've got all of the hardware placed for the framing. Piers are dug out. We've got the piers set there. They just need to set a couple in the morning. And the pour happens tomorrow. That's right. Pour happens tomorrow. So there you guys go. Good look at how the house is going to be. You're going to have family room, bedroom 1, bathroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3 is on the other side of the wall, stairs right there. Then we're going to go up. But there you go. The forms are ready. Rebar is placed. We are ready to pour, guys. So come on over here and show you the garage real quick. Rebar all set. Hardware in there. So time to rock and roll. Pour comes tomorrow. So that's right, guys. Next video will be the finished pour. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.